Talk about the silent sales killer and what your online presence says about you. Before somebody buys from you, they are lurking. They are scrolling through your posts. They are checking out your profile. They are looking at your photos and they are reading your captions. If what they see does not add up, they're out. This is why so many people struggle to make sales online and they don't even realize it. It's not just about what you're selling, it's about how you look when people come across your brand. People don't buy from who they don't trust. So, what that means for you is it means that people aren't just clicking buy the first time they see your offer, they're going to be investigating you first. And what they see, it either builds trust or it kills the sale on site. So if you're out here posting links and wondering why nobody is buying, let me ask you something. If you landed on your page today with you buying from you, is your profile picture clear? Or is it something blurry? Does your bio tell people exactly what you do? Is your content giving value and showing authority? Or is it just some random post with no strategy? Now, if a complete stranger scrolled through your page right now, could they instantly tell what you sell and why they should trust you? If the answer is no, that's your problem. Okay. How to fix your brand so people trust you enough to buy. So let me just break it down real quick exactly what you need to fix. So when people check out your page, they see someone worth doing business with. Okay. So first, get professional or high quality images. I hate to say it, but looks do matter. People are judging a book by its cover. And if your profile picture is pixelated, dark, or it looks unprofessional, people subconsciously don't take you seriously. Okay. At the very least, get good lighting and take a clear, high quality picture of yourself. Ask somebody else to do it for you. Go outside, get some natural sunlight. If you don't want to use your face, use a clean, high quality image that represents your brand. Avoid the cartoon avatars or the low quality selfies, especially the car selfies. This is going to be your first impression, so you got to make it count. I need you to clean up your bio and your profile. Your bio needs to immediately tell people three things: who you help, what you help them with, and how they can buy from you. For example, instead of saying entrepreneur, dream chaser, DM me for more info, try helping busy 9 to 5 build profitable digital businesses. Grab your free guide here. Okay, you see the difference? One is generic and forgettable. The other one tells people exactly why they should pay attention to you. Make sure your content screams, I know what I'm doing. People are judging you based on your posts. If your content is all over the place, you look all over the place, are you posting valuable content that helps people instead of just selling all day long? Nobody comes on social media to buy. Okay. Are your graphics clean or are they messy or hard to read? Your content needs to position you as the person who can help them. If it's confusing, off brand, or inconsistent, they're going to assume that you're just not serious. Four, delete or hide anything that does not match your brand. Look, I get it. Your social media used to be fun, but if you are trying to make money online, your profile now needs to be your business card, your online business card. So if people scroll back and they see messy, off brand, or embarrassing posts, that's the last impression they have of you. Old cringy posts, delete them or archive them. Confusing posts about a completely different business, clean it up. Content that does not match what you're selling, get rid of it. The goal is consistency. People should land on your page and they should instantly feel a sense of what you stand for, what you do, and why they should trust you with their money.